Nature holds an unmatched charm, offering tranquility and beauty that captivate the soul. The rhythmic sound of waves crashing, the vibrant hues of sunsets, and the scent of fresh pine create a sense of wonder. Did you know that forests can absorb up to 30% of carbon emissions? Nature's ability to heal, inspire, and balance our lives is truly magical. Birds add remarkable beauty to nature with their vibrant colors and melodious songs. Over 10,000 bird species exist, each contributing to the ecosystem by pollinating plants and controlling insect populations. Did you know that some migratory birds travel thousands of miles each year? Their flight patterns are awe-inspiring, and their presence enhances the natural world, symbolizing freedom and harmony. Among these, the pelican has a special place. Pelicans are among the most captivating birds on Earth, easily recognized by their striking appearance and unique behaviors. With their distinctive large bills and expansive wingspans, pelicans are not only fascinating to observe, but also play an important role in the ecosystems they inhabit. This essay delves into the various aspects of pelicans, from their anatomy and feeding habits to their behavior, species diversity, and conservation efforts. Unique anatomy and features. Pelicans belong to the family Pelicanidae, and their most notable feature is their large bill, which can be almost as long as their body. This bill is equipped with a large, flexible throat pouch that they use to scoop up fish. The bill's shape and size vary between species, but it is always adapted to their specialized feeding technique. The pelican's pouch, which can hold up to 3 times the volume of its stomach, is an impressive adaptation that helps them catch and store large quantities of fish at once. A pelican's wingspan is another remarkable feature. Some species, like the white pelican, Pelicanus erythrohinchos*, can have a wingspan of up to 10 feet, 3 meters, making them one of the largest flying birds. Their wings are long and broad, providing the lift needed for graceful flight, often seen gliding effortlessly over water or soaring high above coastal landscapes. Despite their large size, pelicans are capable of swift and agile flight, which is essential for their hunting and migration activities. Pelicans have webbed feet, which help them swim effectively. These feet are adapted for both walking on land and paddling through water, making pelicans proficient in both environments. Their feet also help them maintain balance while standing in water or on shorelines, further enhancing their ability to catch prey. Feeding behavior and diet. Pelicans are carnivorous birds that primarily feed on fish. Their feeding techniques are what truly set them apart from other bird species. Pelicans are known for their cooperative hunting strategies, particularly among the white pelican species. These birds often work together in groups to herd fish into shallow waters, where they can scoop up large quantities of prey in their pouches. This collective behavior is essential for their survival, as it increases the likelihood of catching fish in a single hunt. Pelicans employ a technique known as dive fishing to capture fish. They often fly high above the water and then dive spectacularly to catch prey. In some cases, they dive from heights of up to 30 feet, 9 meters, with remarkable accuracy. During the dive, the pelican extends its bill downward and plunges into the water, where its large, flexible pouch fills with fish. After surfacing, the bird drains the water from its pouch before swallowing its catch. In addition to fish, pelicans may also consume amphibians, crustaceans, and even small birds when their primary food source is scarce. Their diet can vary depending on the environment and the availability of prey. Pelicans are opportunistic feeders, and will adjust their eating habits to take advantage of whatever resources are available in their habitat. Pelican species and distribution. There are 8 recognized species of pelicans, each with its own unique range and characteristics. These species are found across the world, from coastal regions and lakes to inland rivers and wetlands. Some species, like the brown pelican, *Pelicanus occidentalis*, are primarily coastal birds, while others, like the great white pelican, inhabit both inland and coastal habitats. Brown pelican. Known for its characteristic diving behavior, the brown pelican is the only species that exclusively lives in the Americas, found from the southern United States to South America. This pelican species is particularly famous for its dramatic plunge diving style of fishing. White pelican. The white pelican is a large, non-dive diving species that relies on group hunting strategies in shallow waters. It is commonly found in North America, Europe, and parts of Asia. Unlike the brown pelican, the white pelican tends to hunt more passively in flocks, often seen gliding above the water. Dalmatian pelican. This species, one of the largest in the world, is found primarily in southeastern Europe and Asia. Dalmatian pelicans are known for their distinctive shaggy appearance, and they often nest in large colonies along lakes and rivers. Pink-backed pelican. Found across sub-Saharan Africa, this pelican species is relatively smaller and has a unique pinkish tinge to its feathers. It is often found near coastal areas and inland lakes, where it can find ample fish supplies. Australian pelican. A striking species with a large bill and distinctive white and black feathers, the Australian pelican can be found across much of Australia. It is known for its ability to hunt fish from both coastal and inland water sources. Pelicans are highly adaptable birds, capable of thriving in diverse habitats. Their large, flexible diet allows them to occupy a range of environments, from freshwater lakes to saltwater coasts. Many species are migratory, moving between breeding and feeding grounds as seasons change, and their flight patterns can be a beautiful spectacle as they travel in large flocks. Behavior and social structure. Pelicans are social birds, often seen in large colonies or groups, particularly when hunting or nesting. The social structure within these groups is highly organized, with birds often working together to achieve common goals, such as fishing or defending nesting sites. For example, white pelicans engage in cooperative hunting strategies, where they form a line or semicircle in shallow water, driving fish towards the center of the formation, where they can easily scoop them up. Nesting is another social activity for pelicans. Many species build their nests in colonies, often on islands or in secluded areas to avoid predators. Nesting sites are typically chosen for their proximity to abundant food sources. Pelican pairs usually mate for life, and both parents take part in raising their young. After hatching, the chicks are fed regurgitated food by both parents until they are old enough to hunt on their own. Conservation status. Despite their wide distribution, many pelican species face threats to their populations. Habitat loss, pollution, and human activities such as fishing and coastal development are significant contributors to their declining numbers. In particular, the brown pelican, once listed as endangered in the United States due to pesticide use, has made a remarkable recovery thanks to conservation efforts. Organizations around the world are actively working to protect pelican populations. For example, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN monitors pelican species, assessing their conservation status and advocating for policies to protect their habitats. Conservationists also work to reduce pollution in water bodies and raise awareness about the impact of human activities on pelican populations. Conclusion. Pelicans are extraordinary creatures that embody the beauty and complexity of nature. With their unique anatomy, cooperative behaviors, and diverse species, pelicans offer a fascinating glimpse into the intricate relationships that exist between animals and their environments. While challenges such as habitat loss and pollution threaten their existence, the ongoing conservation efforts provide hope for the future of these magnificent birds. Whether gliding over the waters or diving for fish, pelicans continue to captivate birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts around the world, reminding us of the importance of preserving the habitats that sustain them.